Okay everyone, so that concludes it for this video. So from bursting a radiator to sourcing a second-hand radiator due to the lockdown, I don't think even if it wasn't lockdown I would have sourced a new one. I still would have gone with the second-hand one since this is my project car. But yeah, to refurbishing the O-rings also due to the lockdown. And if you want to see how to refurbish your O-rings and to reuse them, actually go to the video that I posted prior to this one and you'll see how to refurbish your O-rings and to reuse them then. So after refurbishing my O-rings, I had absolutely zero leaks. So it proves to you that it does work and you can get by without buying new O-rings if you are in a pinch. And that's it for this video, guys. So thank you so much for joining. I appreciate each and every one of you viewing my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.